Yo, DJ Battery here, and you know, I finally fixed my singing mouse. It did have a problem, but me being the old devil I am, I was able to get in there and fix it up. Just now the stupid battery cover wouldn't stay on, so and I was able to fix this. As you heard, it was making noise. Um, just simple things I had. Which is this electric duct tape I had since Easter, black electric duct tape that I made an artificial button with a few screwdrivers, and yeah, how I did it, I made an artificial button with electric duct tape. I opened the whole, this whole mechanism. I took the fur out and everything, got into the button, took the button out, made an artificial button with electric tape. Took the batteries out. Unscrewed these two screws. Very careful not to fuck up any wires, just to get those switch wires out. And yeah, I just taped the two wires together, made a connection. So that was good. And then, yeah, I mean, it didn't hurt. It wasn't bad. So, yeah. I mean, if you're asking, did I, succeed? Yep, I did. But subscribe if you like my video. Have a nice day. Bye.